Today we're cooking my Lilydale free-range chicken schnitzel with herb salad and preserved lemon mayonnaise. First things first, chicken breast. All I'm gonna do is butterfly out that chicken breast. So basically, getting our knife, I'm gonna slice it through the middle, open it up, and then with the rolling pin, bash it out till it's about 1 centimetre. Okay, I'm gonna use a little bit of baking paper, because when I bash it out, I'm gonna fold that over and use that as a bit of protection between the rolling pin and the chicken. Okay, all you wanna do is basically slide the knife in through here, slice it down the middle until you sort of just get to halfway. Obviously you don't wanna cut all the way through. Open it out, fold over your baking paper, grab your rolling pin and hammer away. All right, that's pretty much where we want it, about 1 centimetre thick. Just gonna open it up. It's made a beautiful love heart shape. Okay, for the breading, we've got our flour, egg, and then breadcrumbs. For the flour, we're just gonna add in a good whack of salt. You wanna season a nice pinch of ground pepper. And then with the breadcrumbs, I've got some parsley that's just been finely chopped. I'm gonna put those in there, and this will give it a nice bit of freshness, a little herb, and of course that green color as well when we get to cooking. Give them a little mix through, do the same with the flour, incorporate it all, and then obviously you've got your chicken breast into the flour. Just slowly shake off any of the excess that you might have there. That then goes into our egg mix. You've got kids at home. I remember when I was a kid doing this, it was a lot of fun. You get messy, dirty, learn about your food, very important. The egg drip off, swap it over, get it in there, make sure all the little bits of flour are coated. Lift it up into our parsley breadcrumbs. Push it down a little bit so it all sticks. That's what the egg's for, so the breadcrumbs stick nicely. Flip it. Again, just push it down. Okay, once those crumbs are on nicely, just gonna take the schnitzel, just let all those little excesses drip off. And it's important when you're placing the schnitzel into the oil, place it away from you. That's just the safe way to do it. So the oil's at temperature, place it away from you, sizzling away nicely. The schnitzel's looking good. I think it's time to just flip it over. Nice and golden brown is where we want it. There we go. Thank you very much. Okay, so we're just gonna finish off that side. In the meantime, I've got a tray with a rack on top. When the schnitzel's done, I just place it on there and that allows it to sort of drip through any of that excess oil. It also means that it's not gonna get soggy. So if you're at home, you're obviously gonna do 3, 4 of these. As you do them, chuck them on a rack, put them in the oven, keep them warm. I'm gonna do the same here. That looks epic. Chuck that on top. While that's sort of resting, we're gonna put together a really nice herb salad, quick dressing, and of course, our preserved lemon mayonnaise. Buy Lilydale free-range chicken at Coles and select independents.